Amen. And we are set up here at St. Michael's School for the Farm to School week here. Let me show you their bus. This school has been around since 1918. So that is over 100 years that the school has been here. That's not the original school though. So what we are doing today, we did not bring the combine up here. I brought the baler up here. What we are going to try to do is show them how important it is to be safe and to respect PTO shafts. We're going to have them make scarecrows. We've got all the clothes there and the straw. They're going to make some scarecrows. And then we'll take a scarecrow and put it up here, turn the tractor on for the power takeoff shaft. Now, how I'm going to demonstrate this, I've got a piece of string tied here to the scarecrow, just taped it here. We'll turn it on. It'll take that scarecrow hopefully and wrap it around here. I have done a demonstration similar to this for farm safety camps. We used to do this about 20 or 30 years ago, I guess, at our county fair. Every summer do a farm safety camp, and I had a parent say that her kids really learned a lot from this, so she wanted us to maybe do a small demonstration here today. So that's what the plan is. We'll see how that goes. I've got a tobacco stick in this dummy so it stands up properly. I'm not sure what's going to happen with that tobacco stick. It should just break. Hopefully it won't grab any hoses and tear them up. But we've got some corn and soybeans here as well to show the kids, and some products that are made out of corn and soybeans. So looks like I've got the first group coming out. So let's get into this. So once you have the pants and the shirt together or filled, I'm going to put it together for you. You're going to have to take it out and start over, I think. Yeah, you've done too much. Oh my goodness. We have to get her a dump truck. We have to get her a dump truck. Bobby! No! Stop it. Give her a dump truck. Yeah. You got put her on in it. I can use this. You just shove it in. Yeah. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, no! Okay, and we have the first group have made their scarecrows here.
Yes! No!
All right, we did not catch it on video camera, so I had the kids, I explained to the kids about the PTO shaft and how dangerous that is to work around. So when I started the tractor up, immediately it started winding this string up, and once the scarecrow got up against here, this shield, and so I was able to show them how this shield did its job. Once the scarecrow got up close to here, the scarecrow did not flip over. The shield, the string wrapped around the shield, and then the shield just stopped turning. So yeah, the shield did its job. The shield stopped turning, and the dummy just kind of sat there so it didn't get hurt. But that was a good demonstration. It shows how important the shield is.
Everyone face me right in front of the scarecrow.
Okay, we have the other scarecrow built here.
Margaret, I can't see the scarecrow. You're standing in front of it.
No, I'm not. Everybody.
Thank you, Malachi and Harlan.
What am I doing?
And there we go. So we're going to do a demonstration here to show you what can happen if you're standing too close. And so we're going to pretend this string is a shirt sleeve from someone that gets too close to this, and let's see what happens. So we're going to start the tractor up, and we'll see what happens to this scarecrow. Okay?
What happens if you're standing too close to dangerous farm equipment?
So then you're going to see everything else move as well when I start everything up. So just watch the scarecrow.
Watch the scarecrow.
Let's see what happens. So this shows how important it is to be safe around equipment, because you can get hurt really quickly when something happens. So in this case, this shield did what it was supposed to do. This shield stopped turning but the shaft inside was still turning. If there was not a shield on here, and the shaft inside would have caught the shirt sleeve, and then this dummy would have kept flopping around, going around and around, and it would have broke an arm or a leg. I had a cousin when I was 15 years old, and my cousin was about 12 years old. We were moving straw in the barn one summer, and a bale of straw, he threw a bale of straw onto an elevator. We had an elevator taking straw up into the barn. Elevator had a PTO shaft. His pant leg got too close to that PTO shaft. It did not have a shield on it. It flipped him around about 4 times before I could get to the tractor to turn it off. It grabbed his pant leg, flipped him around. It actually ripped his pant leg off. So once I stopped the tractor and looked, it had cut the pant leg off from here down. He had a broken leg for the rest of the summer because he got too close to the PTO shaft and because we did not have the shields on the PTO shaft. So those things are dangerous. So you just have to be aware of PTO shafts and working around equipment. Yeah. All right, just start stuffing straw. Make sure you get the legs filled up.
Oh, hold on. I guess we're helping you get it. Saying this voice thick. Yes, my indentured servant. It's work. Unpaid work. No, you're unpaid work. Intern. Work faster. Oh my god. Never. Why is that so big?
That was the...
No, we do not need any more.
Like he says, okay, other leg. Left leg. I'm trying to stuff them. No, that leg's good in. We need to do the other leg.
Okay, do y'all want to do the head?
No. That's too skinny. Oh, it has to be. Y'all do it then. And then you're going to mess it up again.
Just dig in. Are you allergic to anything? No, then this won't bother you. It's just straw.
Okay, now zip up the fly.
Just dig in and put some in there.
It's not gonna hurt you. You hold it and she'll stuff it in.
Okay, now I know how to figure out a way how to do it.
Sorry.
Kyle, wait, Kyle. Wait, don't.
No, Mr. Travis.
Okay, bring it over here if you're ready.
No, we're not ready yet.
Okay. All right.
Fill it up a little bit.
Stand so I can see your scarecrow.
Scarecrow faces and people faces.
No.
His name's Billy.
Everybody facing me.
I'm
Not blocking the scarecrow.
You're blocking my scarecrow.
Goobers.
His name's Billy, man.
I'm too short. It's not. It's not candy corn. It's candy corn. Is this candy corn?
No, it's not. You can eat it if you'd like. It's not going to taste very good. Do you need help? I can break it for you.
It don't taste like candy corn. Why is it blood in it?
All right, and then you start peeling it off because we only want the individual kernels. So it's easier, yes. So it's easier when you break it.
Well, I only have to do one at a time. I know how to do one.
Okay.
So free candy corn.
All right, so I grow 3 crops. I grow corn, soybeans, and wheat. I don't have any wheat here today. I just have the corn and the soybeans.
My teeth hurt.
Do you know what you're sitting on?
Hey.
Oh, come on. Thank you. If y'all were here last year, don't you remember me talking about the straw versus the hay and why it's called straw?
Oh, yes.
So, no, they have...
Put more. We need more than that. Put more.
No.
Watch out. That's the church. Come on.
Make sure you
Get your sleeves.
Have our sleeves. Our sleeves. Okay, wait, get it in. We're focusing on the pants. Don't push it in my face. I'll hold it. You can do the other thing.
Mr. Tennis is the assembly.
Yeah. I was only in charge of the head.
All right, you gotta do this part. You gotta make sure you've got enough in there.
Okay.
Right here on the side.
Oh, my bad. Was that not buttoned?
Push it, push it, push it. Push forward.
We don't need
Beatrice, come here.
Okay.
All right, eyes on me. Look at me, Beatrice.
Okay.
Mason.
Cheese.
All right, Tay, look at me right now. Raylan, everyone, you know what? I'm not going to get a picture of you smiling.
Stop,
Well,
right here,
no.
right here. Oh, Raylan, come here.
Dear Lord, help me. Come on, you don't have to get next to it. Okay, you're fine.
Abby.
All right, everybody, kindergarten, look at me. 1, 2, 3. Julio, where are you looking?
Stand right here.
Soil. Look up.
All right, ready?
All right, there we go.
Now we're going to do all of us
I want to
together.
get one pre-K. Pre-K, look at me.
All right,
real quick.
everybody say Scarecrow!
All right, one more time.
Scarecrow!
I can't teach a kite.
This shaft here is what turns the baler, the baler to bale the straw, and you have to be very careful about these shafts because they can hurt people. So we have a scarecrow here. I think his name is Carlos. I think that's what the last class named him, was Carlos. So we're going to pretend that Carlos got his arm too close to this shaft here, and let's see what happens. Okay, I'm going to start the tractor up and watch Carlos to see what happens.
Uh-oh, this is going to be exciting. Ava. What happened to Carlos?
That's what can happen when you get too close to the equipment. Is people can get hurt, people can get killed sometimes, and it's not a pretty sight. So you always have to make sure you're very careful around equipment and just turn everything off before you work on it. All right, any other questions? If not, y'all have a great day. We had fun.
Can we get a picture with you all?
That was
Sure can.
scary.
Yep.
That was
All right, so what I want you all to do is just stand up where you are and face me. Just stand up.
Stand up and turn around.
And turn around. Don't move.
Go back. I know that was scary. I know.
All right, just stand up where you are.
Turn.
Ready? Look, stand up and turn. Look at me.
Faces this way.
Look, face me. 1, 2, 3.
Eyes
Look at
this
me.
way.
Look at my butterflies, please. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Miguel, where you at in life? Thank you. Love you. Come on. You got it.
Oh boy. Well, the last class of the day, and something caught this time. All the previous classes we did, I just had this string taped here and the shield stopped turning. Well, this last one, it caught it all and ripped around. Because I had a tobacco stick in there to help that thing stand up, that tobacco stick came and pulled the hoses out of there, broke every hose off of it, wrapped them around. So it's gonna, looks like I'm gonna need 4 new hoses to get this thing back going again. But hey, got the message across to the kids that farm equipment is dangerous. Safety first. All right, there's all of the scarecrows that were made.